IGC News, Mima Obidia Akwaba, had yet latest and hot news in Kwa enemy Bremo. Anuti, so we are subscriber ya, or more than say over subscribe to their channel. Your bayan is over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. Where is a new video be uploaded when the first person I was a video. I feel yeah. Now, while like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for us now when you be here now and summer Ekoso and Wagana Memham. I feel young share a and summer beto your proso. Yeti a yes, Uncle Moya Ekoso, Yeti in some way.
That is why I'm before you this evening. Stability is important. I must first admit that there are hardships in this country. Today, you know and you admit that there are hardships. Do you know what will happen tomorrow? Do you know what will happen tomorrow? Tomorrow might be worse if you change MPP. Because this in 2008, and we all saw the opportunity. So I'm begging you. I know it's tough. But Ghana is better off when we still have MPP in power. And therefore, I'm not selfish because I don't care about MPP, I don't care about Dr. Bawumia. Then I'm not a patriotic citizen if I don't care about Dr. Bawumia and MPP. That is why I'm here to speak to you and plead with you that you vote for our parliamentary candidate. Then you also vote for Dr. Bawumia for continuity and stability.
It is a serious campaign. 2024 election. It is not an easy election. So any member that will be part of the team should be serious. And if you are not serious, you can tell your executive committee that I want to excuse myself. We will not entertain any sabotage. The executive, listen and listen good. We will not entertain any sabotage, because when you try sabotaging, we will clash, because we have a power to keep. We have done a lot, but we are not preaching what we have done, and so the NDC is talking too much. Look at the roads, look at the schools. We do so well. The hardship that is we are all facing, it is not only in Ghana, it is one world. But we have the men who will ensure this hardship within some short time will go away.
Now that the campaign team has been inaugurated and sworn in, we are ready to go out there to go and campaign. We'll be campaigning house to house, door to door, to ensure that what is necessary will be done to get him out of the seat, because he has disappointed the constituency and we are struggling. Anytime you ask him, honorable, we need this and that, he will tell us that, oh, my party is not in government. When you become a member of parliament, you don't talk about your party being governed or not. You are a member of parliament to everybody in the constituency, not for a party alone.
What we are going to make sure Ghana for, and yes, I'm mistaken, is to make sure people like Agyapadie group we Akufo Addo Ofori Atta Amotie for Penny Gabi Ochedakon eye bedie tuo sa nipa mu ambonsam we we want Ghanaians to know say any say yes a mistake ribium. That's all. In this I want Siena, you have a problem with me and you think, oh, when you say something about Kevin Taylor, when you go after Kevin Taylor, it's going to change. It's not going to change anything. You're wasting your time. You are wasting your time, because for some years now, we have made Ghanaians understand to say, it's because the lies. NPP was built out of lies. The party itself, why they are into being control. Ideology being the party which na omuyina because adwene that party adwene bone. From the beginning, from the onset, the NPP as a political party, they've had an idea be say say Ghana. These are dangerous people with dangerous ideology. To say once na I'm going to say toilet moon once now. The people behind this party, it is always the opportunity to go and feast on people's SHIT. So these people are not people we have to entertain. They are dangerous people. The NPP led by Akufo Addo and Bawumia is a dangerous group. It is filled with tribal bigots. It is filled with criminals. It is filled with liars. It is filled with people who feel entitled.
All time.
These are the things that I feel the NPP Emma and the Ghana Funyina. These are very dirty people. And I keep saying this. These are very dirty people. Dirty people. You can see it from their faces. You can see it from the way their posture is. You can see it from where they are coming from. They are dirty people, dirty mentality and ideologies. So we need to stay together as a people and stop these group of criminals from taking over, because they have their own constitution. And the NPP led by Akufo Addo and this little Achim criminals, their constitution is the Agyapadie book. Yes. So a vote for Mahamudu Bawumia is to continue the deadly things they are doing. That is all. 2024 elections are simple. So what to Abama Bawumia, you are telling Kweku Kyeremanteng, Ofori Atta, Akufo Addo, Jankroma, Gabi Asare Ochredako, you are telling Asante Bedie too, Chairman won to me, Jimmy now galamsey. You are telling them to continue. Not the book we know implement it. That's all. Because Mahamudu Bawumia nya bema eshwada in the 90 ma sebio obetime take a decision. Bawumia cannot prosecute Gabi Ochredako. He says he's scared like a chicken. Bawumia cannot prosecute anybody in the NPP. Bawumia cannot prosecute Jankroma. Bawumia cannot prosecute Ofori Atta. Bawumia cannot prosecute anybody in the NPP. That is why on his tour he has not been able to speak on prosecuting his own. He can't, because he does not own the party. The people who own the party are these criminals calling themselves a Agyapadie group. These are the facts. These are the facts. So the issue is today, when you raise issues in Ghana about what is happening, you will see the desperate, frustrated NPP people who were making noise about nothing 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago. Oh, now way a tuaba, way a winiaba. Kevin Taylor on tuaba. I am in tuaba, so memo be a tuabetia, a boo biba. Men tuaba, but memo be a tuabetia. In nine, in pro. Now, when you say in some people and tuaba, hey, Poladomoch now be in a tree, we in it to the tuaba, that be you. Kwasia, Tracy Boachin, Kwasia, some anamocase, Papa don't tuaba. In Yamba, Mohun Tian Kitty to say. A punch bini na mona nam Ghana and kwasiade any holiday. We starting a nice. Mo starting here because mo Jimmy. Nipa ni twi mu faso no o twi mu di no na mo Jimmy na betem more. Mr. S, Mr. P, don't block anybody. Any holiday. Memento aba. Ba memo obi atoetia wo. Jimmy for mo tete Ghana. In somebody be the yenka ne nkwankantia obi. You see last week Paul Addo went to bring that dirty riffraff Kweku Annan. Ne ho kan ne ho fin. Obetina same old story. There's nothing. Mo chatro from the beginning mo form a pathway. Pathway mo tia eye den eye friends saying. Ba fu Akoto. Ye wo fa ba fu Akoto ko yi ni 700 pounds eda ho. Ne 700 pounds eda ho e de bete party. Mo di nkwasiasam saa ba be di nne. Enkwasiasam saa ye nkamasem. Nende munya mbrante ne mbaba wana ye kamo nimu a mo se montiasi obi tam mo bodam na MPP na ye Ghana dia. This book is dangerous. So ukoto abama Mahamudu Bawumia o to ama eye Akufo Addo oye bonsam o. Sa taadi girls no mu nkora miensa no. There were 3 virgins they sacrificed for power. Don't joke with Akufo Addo or a different animal. Mahamudu Bawumia does not have the balls to take decisions. Bawumia Ye pe bema or say minyaba bema nyaba. Bawumia is not a man. Sata di girls 3 no mukuomono. They murdered those kids. Sankwara miensano. 3 virgins. Anamajuni ankoho. 3 virgins were murdered. Tadi girls in kwara miensanya bema fa ho kan mo da. Eh, na se obi wo ho na se okunkun kwara. So obi wo no nipa boni ni kra. I had no selected 3 virgins to murder them. The president knew about this Enkwara Mensah we did you see Akufo Addo there? Did you see Bawumia there? Did you see Akufo Addo's wife there? Did you see anybody from the Jubilee House going to Takrade to console the parents of these 3 girls? No, because they murdered these kids. They sacrificed them for power. It's easy and not from it is spiritual. These people came prepared. And Bible can't buy. They came with their Bible and put their Yesu Christo on it. Yesu Christo the dasono galamsey hene or botwo wuremu ho. Weja kevi we ya na ebechire no bre some say memra Ghana oso ye nipa say ha nipa na wo ha ana mo say nipa na yemra oso ye nipa bra odwan onye say is of America. If you're a man, come to Ghana. If you're an animal, come to America. Onye say that form ewiase be say enye obi na betuma ba America me say ewiase be say enye obi na betuma ba America ni bi onye say that form if you're a man, come to Ghana. If you're an animal, come here. In Ghana, Amanfo murdered 3 girls, 3 young virgins. They murdered them. All because of power. Now, Tiwa to work can kwasi asem say keep on moving on with the nonsense. Keep on keeping on. Ni asatam eto din we akotena yoko. Motete Ghana mabobodam. Are you people crazy? You let people run over you like animals. Abra mona moto abama kwasi afo ebe nipa. Nanado dan Kweku Addo from 2008. Ebesi 2012, no only $20,000 than accounts. Akufo Addo had nothing. Na mo amone nam Ghana. Nanado dan Akufo Addo oko wia party sika, MPP fo sika no wia ye. Oni Mustafa Hamid akwana anka owo Mozambique anka na ya ben kwan nim se abe wotwe kwan Mustafa Hamid MPA. Omo nyina wia party sika. Akufo Addo wia party sika. Enti atetia na ejimi fo mo ka che se we mu de omo ye surunko Akufo Addo papa. Obra papa ben no boy. Let's get serious in this country. These people came into power, poor people, desperately poor. They were filthy poor. You have no idea. And a moment of phobia dada Morgana ho. And a moment of phobia dada Morgana ho kikam kwasiasem. Nanado dan Kweku Addo and this group of termites, Gabi, Net2, Ofori Atta, they had nothing. They didn't have a dime on them. These were filthy people, dirty, filthy people. They were broke like chicken. And we allow these greedy bastards and they slaughtered themselves through. And then they power. They are killing you people. They are stealing from you people. Daylight robbery. They are taking your money. You can't do anything. You are helpless. You are foolish. That is why they are treating you like animals. These people were not supposed to come close to Jubilee House. These people were not supposed to give in a nod. Never. Akufo Addo time or president no ni kapre. Okasada ni hwinimu henro. Yarefo total 90. Ena moto na nkofo kasa sisi mu hwinim. Ena ye jiminti. Ena ko MPP. Ko party nim. Ofu bi opeso obedi MPP aso a lawyer. Ena ko kumase. Billboard bi abehu bia kwase bia a lawyer. Eno na ye ni enim. Na ojimi fo bi ka say a lawyer yen ko school kenkanti yen kenkanti enne kwa santime mu ko hwe jimi fo bi ope parliament abia so a lawyer na de jimi di nechi yen check yen certify yen busa hwe ya say zoo ne egum 47 MPs so be so ka kire me say 47 MPs yen tumensi one regional hospital asantime mu now that what asantime mu ka kire me say me town o bodam na ba no to ne say wa dwene achia ana wadwen what bin the NDC phone to me kan kire mo no me ka kire mo me pa NDC anya me dia o the omuntu mi bi o ma no kan kire mo a mu di MPP echi a mu jimi no me e call loud silence media ya me dia o me timi media house NDC ni ho. I just like the ideologies of NDC. Send your mochire Ghana to me ye edwa ema asantifoko di dwa Ghana foko di dwa ma omunya sika to aduane di no eno na mepe. Send your mutumi si sewia omutumi si eyede kumewu omutumi si regional and district hospitals. Send your mutumi ye kwan eno na me support. I support the ideology, their help, the social democratic help na wo mutim no eno na me support. It is all Ghana no we jimia. It because me support NDC idea ninti we jimia ma men kanchiro. Why do you vote? Why do you want to be? Motete Ghana na mama jimi fo we jimi mo. And everybody is hopeless. Obia no did 5 years ago, 6-7 years. This is ashe. Obia na oye adie kakra bibia say we still sit in this country supporting these fools. Anything I brought food to me now, say yani Africa food be ya more, and they deserve to say that because they don't even understand how we allow our politicians to fool us like that. And a typical example of a foolish political party and a foolish political government is this typical government. San kwasiafo in the mabrofo nka say yede before ye Jimmy, especially Akufo Addo ne Bawumia. They wear this Vietnam suit and dress like French clowns. Hwebedie to ogina wa I said ne koje jot. Na no hu win tan se ni patietie se ni patintie hu hwegabi. Hwebedie to hwe some dirty people way. And then they line up and come to Europe, America, and the white man sees them and say, who are these foolish clowns? Now, our government should do some Uzbekistan suit to be Jimmy, because in their minds, no, sana na mo nananam no papa no mo ye. Omo bo man no. Akromfo na Kwame Nkrumah mpeni omo no. Ewifo ma no. They didn't want Kwame Nkrumah to succeed in making Ghana a self-sufficient country, no. Say Jimmy for no to a boy, no. They wanted Ghana to be like that. Till date, they are still practicing that foolishness. Mediocrity and foolishness. Now yet Ghana 2024. We are still supporting people with that kind of mentality. They want to rewrite our history. Such dirty people. Munyina ya kamu bom one pieces. You cannot rate Kwame Nkrumah. Mwenim seconds. Mo Akufo Addo Gabi bedie 204 mwenim seconds. Ya chichiri mu nyina boboma. You cannot even rate Kwame Nkrumah's level as human beings. Na mo ba na Ghana fo ama mutumi ana mo de mu jimi ne moto kankan be rewrite history that you want to write your history. Twerps. Me ba mu nkume. Kwasiafo motete Ghana na mama tumi na ejimi fo nkwasiafo we jimi omo ho Ghana. Obiambo obi atiri mutuo. And no Jimmy Omo. We will come back to Agyapadie.
Yo, it's for Winnie and Summer about the program. Because this is news so and our no. So we are subscribe we are Omodia say over subscribe and one like it. Nafi was share video. It's as a hadie latest and hot news kwa. And I'm the bravo. Also bet me actually what you are and some way now. I will comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.